Hello guys, so this is Power BI Ninja YouTube channel, and I'm here to address a very simple problem, nothing crazy. Just I want to show you that if you want to have string values in the value section of the matrix visual, because if your client might ask, for example, this is a table, the client might ask, this is SKU, and I only want SKU to be fixed. I don't want like this. For example, this is the model of the SKU. I don't want it. Let me fix the formatting. So he doesn't want, the client doesn't want to have SKU and model both fixed. He only needs SKU, but model is a string value. So what you do in this case, you air out a measure, for example, model value, SKU select a value for the product SKU from products table. Then if it's blank SKU, this is optional. Calculate max value from the model and compare it with product SKU to the SKU select. So it's comparing basically the same thing, but using calculate function to carry on the model. And you use this value on the matrix visual as model value. And for example, if you put this value in value section, it will give you first rank, last rank kind of summarization. And we don't want that because this will give you wrong value in real world scenario. When you have many tables, many relationships, this will give you wrong value because of data not being organized. And this, what it does is it groups the similar strings. So basically how it does that. So this will give you wrong value and you will not have the correct model numbers. So you're gonna delete this. You have model value and here you have the SKU column only fixed. If your client asks this, if your stakeholders, your boss wants this in the dashboard, do it this way, you will have no summarization and it will be on the fly. So thank you. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful.